I needed to find an asset tracking app that was very easy for an engineer to use. And also, they've got a lot of demands on their day, so I didn't want something which was going to take up a lot of their time. Riviera Drinks has probably been in existence for at least 15 years. So a customer signs up to buy our drinks exclusively for 3 years, and then we install the equipment completely free. So that equipment we need to track, and that's about £3,000 a venue. So we use an itemit to track all of that equipment all over the UK. We're tracking the coolers, carbonators and 10-button guns that you have in the bars, and we were trying to do that on the spreadsheet, but that just didn't work because we were up to about 2,000 assets. We were reliant on an engineer sending an email to say gone to a venue to install. Quite often they'd forget to do it. It just didn't work. So we looked for asset tracking. We found itemit. It's giving us visibility. Certainly when we're discussing a venue, whether it be in a meeting or an engineer is on the phone to a sales rep, they can bring up the venue on their phone and they can look at the venue and see what assets were there. And they can also look at the history of that venue, whereas before it was kept on one PC in the office on a spreadsheet, so they would have no idea. So we know where the equipment is at all times, and we'll also send the equipment off for cleaning. And when that goes out for cleaning, we can also tag those assets to the company that does the cleaning, so we can track all of our assets wherever they might be. It wasn't interactive, where now with the phone and the app, it's really interactive with every member of staff, so we can just strip on the go what's actually in the venue and what's happening in the venue. Sharing ability by not only people in the office, but engineers and salesmen out on the road. So, the instant availability of information on the app, the speed that you can tag assets and record assets in the venue, especially as we've got drop down. We're not asking any of our engineers to type in any descriptions of assets. Ours are all pre-populated, so they just scroll down and then select the asset. So it makes inputting the assets to a venue very, very quick. The ease of use of the app, it's not too cluttered with lots of buttons and things. It's got a quite good layout, and it's quite easy to use, quite intuitive.